यार दुख सुनने का 500 रुपया
Hello, I'm Harsh. This is my first time doing stand up. But I have been on stage, and every time I have been on stage, I couldn't deliver. Of course, men in general can't deliver, but that's different kind of delivery we are talking about. So I googled why this happens, and it says it is because of mix of high stakes and uncertainty. So your brain is predictability machine. I didn't buy into that bullshit. Last time she left, I had no idea I couldn't predict. She surprised my brain. But still I checked further into article because I had nothing to do right now. You all can relate. Your brain tries to find answer but it can't. Basically your brain is dumb. Brain overload, shaking. So I come up with two solutions. One, I'm not looking for career in comedy. Smart decisions. You're not the dumb brain. In fact, I don't know what career is. I don't know what career is. You guys can relate, not you, sir. Second solution, I have decided that I am certain that I am going to fail. Again, smart decision. So basically, I am going to bomb. Not quite literally. Relax, I'm from Ahmedabad, not ahem, my bad. So bombing is when you joke, when your joke lands flat. Basically, what you're experiencing right now. Basically, I'm drama and I'm not doing comedy. I'm falling you into my all the jal. I scroll past and I see another article that Japanese scientists create a soft robotic tongue that feels real and has several real world users. You can guess what are those? Just saying, AI is already taking your jobs. And to Japan, it's not helping because now we know whom to blame for their lower birth rates. Of course, it's their scientists. I saw that article. It didn't excite me much. I mean, I don't own the product yet, of course. Also, because I'm not the target audience, right? Or maybe I don't have the hardware to really appreciate the upgrade. I started watching documentary side by side. No worries, I can multitask. And they were showing this royal family who now has legacy of making perfect pork recipe. They killed thousands of wild pig to do that. What a great achievement to make a perfect pork recipe. Years of experiments, precision, technique, and a free time. And I'm thinking we usually do that for important things, right? Like medicine, technology, those lab rats saving lives, kind of like lives by losing lives, kind of exchange program, but that's fine. Here, after having liters of Madira, Somras, whatever they used to have, so after being stoned, they thought, can we make it 6% more tastier for something you're gonna chew for only 7 minutes? 6, 7, 6, 7. Basically, they have a logic. The logic is 6, 7. Your culinary oof for their generational trauma of the exchange. तुम्हें तुम्हारे पेरेंट्स कहते हैं बेटा पढ़ो लिखो वरना रिक्शा चलानी पड़ेगी टू अस ह्यूमंस. पिक के पेरेंट्स उसे कहते होंगे कि बेटा पढ़ो लिखो वरना किसी मिशेलिन स्टार शेफ की सिग्नेचर डिश बन जाओगे तुम. Which is more motivating honestly? In some parallel world, they are topping the exam. UPSC clear कर रहा है वो pig. Someday you will meet the meat. This was pun. Meet the meat. The pig kid, the fatto. You're gonna say your ancestor solved your problem. Your ancestors solved our problem. With enthusiasm, he'll ask, "Oh really? What exactly did we solve?" Salt balance, fat rendering, and a crackling quality, you bitch. And later in the day, to your post of food porn, he's going to tag you saying, "Crime sin, bitch." Thank you. That was my time.